Hey everyone, Lorraine here. I'll be taking you through our workflow stage, which is where you can clean, transform and analyze your data. So first of all, you would have already connected your data via our integration stage. So now you want to make some analysis to that data. When you open the stage, you will be shown a canvas to your left, and on the right are our different nodes. And these are the nodes that you can apply to your data in order to clean, transform and analyze. Each workflow starts off with a get data node, and simply you just drag and drop the node into the canvas space. What you will need to do next is select the data or the table that you would like to work with. So as you can see, these are the integrations that I have. So first I'm going to select the data that I want to use. Then I'm going to save and preview. Once I'm happy with the data, I will then save and close. We then have various table manipulations and column manipulations that you can apply to your data. For this example, I'll be utilizing the select nodes column. So what you want to do is connect each node to the previous stage. Now I need to edit the column node, and I will select the columns that I would like to work with. Once I'm happy with that, I can save and preview to make sure the correct ones are selected. Then I can save and close. I will now close this workflow, and each workflow closes with a save data node. Again, I'll connect this to the previous node I have connected. I'll open the edit button. I'll create an output name for this, which will be conversion by age. Then I will save and close. I can also edit the title of my workflow, and this will be conversion by age. And now I have my workflow ready. In order to save the entire flow, you need to make sure that you click the run button. Anytime you make changes to your flow, you will need to hit the run button. Once this has finished running, you will get this notification. Once you click OK, you can head back to the workflow overview, and there you have your workflow ready.